Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the money stopping the moment you stop working, then this video is definitely for you. We've all heard the dream of passive income, making money while you sleep, travel, or just hang out with your family. For a long time, it felt like a fantasy reserved for a lucky few. But today, I'm going to show you how artificial intelligence is completely changing the game, making passive income more accessible than ever before. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into how you can build real, sustainable income streams with AI, starting today. First up, let's talk about the low-hanging fruit, AI-powered content creation. Think about it. There's a massive demand for content, online blogs, social media posts, newsletters, you name it. But creating it all takes time, right? Well, not anymore. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can help you generate high-quality written content in minutes. You can start a niche blog about something you're passionate about, like sustainable gardening or vintage video games. Use AI to help you draft articles. Then you add your personal touch and expertise. Once the content is up, you can monetize it with affiliate links or ads. The AI does the heavy lifting of writing, and you build a content empire that earns money for you 24/7. It's about working smarter, not harder. Next, let's get a little more creative with AI art and design. You've probably seen those incredible images generated by tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 2, but did you know you can turn that art into a passive income stream? You can create stunning, unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, posters, and phone cases. Then, you upload these designs to print-on-demand platforms like Printify, or when someone buys your product, the platform handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect a royalty on each sale. You don't need to be a professional artist. All you need is a good idea and an AI tool to bring it to life. You could create a whole collection of designs overnight and wake up to sales from all over the world. Now, for those of you who are a bit more technically inclined, let's explore AI-powered software and tools. You don't need to be a coding genius to get in on this. There are no-code platforms that allow you to build simple AI applications or chat. For example, you could create a specialized chatbot for a specific industry, like a real estate Q&A bot for agents' websites, or a meal planning bot for fitness coaches. You can then sell this as a subscription service. The initial setup requires some work, but once it's running, it can serve hundreds of clients simultaneously with minimal intervention from you. This is the definition of building a digital asset that works for you around the clock. Finally, let's talk about a strategy that combines all of these. AI-driven digital products. This is where things get really exciting. You can use AI to create and sell ebooks, online courses, or digital planners. For instance, use an AI writer to outline and draft an ebook on a topic you know well. Then, use an AI art generator to create a captivating cover. Package it all up and sell it on platforms like Amazon, KDP, or Gumroad. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and you can sell them an infinite number of times. The AI supercharges your creation process, allowing you to launch products faster and scale your passive income potential like never before. So there you have it for practical ways to start building passive income with AI. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about leveraging powerful technology to create systems that generate value and income over the long term. The key is to start small, experiment, and find what works for you. The future of work is changing, and AI is giving us the tools to build a life with more freedom and financial independence. I hope this has sparked some ideas for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building wealth in the digital age. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.